Here we go. As I was saying, As I was saying till I get reading top on my own camera, I'm really thinking about myself and about what is happening in my life right now, and just hoping that you will. You see my YouTube videos on my YouTube channel from Sylvia Cruzan, and you will get to know me. It's raining out in Vancouver, so it's got my hood on. You'll get to know me better on my YouTube videos. To all the people who gossip about me, what are you gossiping for? There's absolutely nothing to gossip about. And as for my finances, it's none of your business. You guys think that I sent it off to Africa? You're crazy in your brains. All of you are crazy in your brains. Alright? You think I send up to Africa? No, I don't. I buy things I need. To everybody out there who says that it's false information, you guys are spreading gossip about me. Why? Are you that bored and lonely in your life? You rather pick on Sylvia Cruzan? Well, I'm sorry. But you perked up on the wrong tree. Please, watch my YouTube videos. Watch my YouTube account. You guys will know who I am, okay? Bye.